Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a DEWALT Shop Vac, which features a quiet technology. It's 50% quieter. So let's take a look. So briefly going over some specs, this is a wet and dry vac with a 5-gallon 19-liter capacity, 4 horsepower. Again, 50% quieter, and it comes with various attachments which we'll go over. So inside you get the user manual. You get your hose, and then you have various attachments here. You got the crevice tool, the brush. So a total of 4 attachments, and then you have the extension, so for better reach. And then it comes with the bags as well, so you get 6 bags, and the filter if you're gonna do the wet vacuuming. And then out of the box, you can see the vacuum. You have 4 wheels that will be attached to the bottom, and you have some screws. Again, this is a 5-gallon capacity. You have the power button here, and then you have a strap for the hose when you're storing it. Then pretty much just unlock the sides. You can see, again, 5-gallon capacity. You have the filter here. So there is just minimal assembly required. You have the 4 wheels on the bottom. It comes with the screw. So it just slides in like so. And then you want to secure it with the screws. So I'll go ahead and install all 4, and I'll show you when it's completed. Okay, so I have the vacuum assembled. Took just a few minutes to install the wheels, and this is how it looks. Easy to maneuver and wheel around. And then the hose just wraps around, and then you have this nice strap to keep it into place. Hose is easy to attach. We look here, and it just clicks like so. Again, this features the Stealthsonic, which is 50% quieter, large button for on and off, and a carrying handle. So it's very light. So taking a look at the inside, again, this is 5-gallon capacity. It can either do dry or wet. If you want to vacuum a wet environment, you have to remove this filter. Just put it in the lock position, and then it comes right off. You have the foam filter that will go over this, so it can just filter out larger debris, and then you can begin vacuuming the wet environment. And then for dry environment, for regular vacuuming, just insert the filter, and then you can use the bag that comes with it. Attaching the bag is pretty easy. They give you 6, so you just want to put it to the side like so, and then it just slips right over the nozzle here. And just put the top on, and then secure the latches on the side. I have it plugged in now, so I'm going to turn it on so you can hear the motor. So first impression, it's very quiet compared to some of the shop vacs that I've had in the past. This is definitely one of the quietest ones. I have a decibel app here, so let's just measure how loud it gets. So it's measuring about 75. So 75 decibels. All right, let's just see how it cleans up. I'm gonna just clean a lot of the debris in the garage here, so you can see picking up the dirt with no problem. Again, the motor is very quiet. You can hear the debris getting picked up. Some little rocks, leaves. Okay, so that's a look at the DEWALT 5-gallon with the Stealthsonic technology, 50% quieter. Again, you can use it for wet or dry applications, and as you saw, very quiet, and it was able to pick up the debris with no issues. You can use it at home, in your shop, indoors. I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.